In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Game Pass in Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official website of Roblox. Provide your credentials and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, click on this option of Create. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now here you're gonna find the option of Creations. Click on that. Now go ahead and select the experience for which you want to create a Game Pass. After you select it, at the left hand side, you're going to find different option. Click on the drop down for monetization. Then click on the option passes. Now here you're going to find the option of create pass. Click on that. Now go ahead and give it a name. Likewise, add description. Upload an image that will represent your Game Pass. After filling in all the required information, click create pass to finish creating it. Once a Game Pass has been created, you can open its settings to configure the price, edit its details, and manage how it's sold to players. All you have to do is click on it. Then navigate to the option sales. Enable the option item for sale. Here type in the price of it. Then click on save changes. And that's it. This is how you can easily create a Game Pass in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.